What's up guys, watching the Sitio, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is WS-113947-5. Please check that the information for your registered payment method is correct. So you got the problem about your payment method when you try to buy something add-ons on a game or a subscription. So you get the error. I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. So let's go to the settings here and then go to the user and accounts and wait for the payment method. Here is the payment on a subscription. Go to the payment on the subscription. Here you can add the redeem codes and transaction history, purchase setting. You just must check this one, and then payment method check is maybe sometime your payment method is expired. You just delete it and add a new one. You can choose another option. That's how you can do it. So simply here you just check it and you just delete the older credit card information, then add a new credit card information here. Your credit card information add it here. You can set the PayPal also and the other payment method, and after that you just do it. So simply that's how you can fix this kind of problem. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. See you soon for the next one.